Time now for your weather on the 4s.
Well, let's check the weather out there with meteorologist Nate Larsen in for Thomas today. Nate, we getting any relief from the heat?
We're still hot today, Brian, but yeah, we wanted to show you record heat yesterday. We had 100 degrees, managed to creep one more of those triple-digit days in there. Previous record was 99. This is now the 25th triple-digit day so far this year, which again is just continuing to add to that ongoing record we've been setting since 21 days was shattered a number of days ago. So we're still hot today, not quite triple-digit heat, upper 90s to mid-90s along the Wasatch Front. Moisture's on the rise with your There For You headlines. We're looking at increasing storms, flash flood concerns, of course, increasing as the moisture increases across the state. And the weekend, yeah, maybe you just kite flying. I always think of spring with kite flying weather, but might be some good kite flying conditions over the weekend as blustery winds are going to be sticking around statewide. Here's a look at rainfall potential or rain potential across the state today. Notice across the mountain ranges, of course, we have the greatest risk of seeing some heavy rains. Otherwise, there is a chance of moisture essentially statewide along northern portions of Utah. We're expecting showers and storms along the Wasatch Front throughout the afternoon and evening. Flash flood potential, it's probable for Zion National Park today, so keep that in mind if you're going to be recreating in the area. We know flooding can happen very quickly. Of course, flash flooding can happen very quickly, and it's very dangerous. Possible flash flooding for Bryce Canyon, Capitol Reef, San Rafael Swell, and Grand Staircase. Otherwise, flooding not expected for some of the southeastern corner of Utah, as much of the moisture is expected to stay to the north and in the northern portion and the central portions of the state. In fact, rainfall forecast, yeah, models aren't looking super impressive with how much moisture they're expecting to see today, hoping for a good tenth, maybe 2/10 of an inch. Most of the models showing a few hundredths of an inch. And we'll continue to see a chance of moisture primarily over the southern part of the state as we get into Friday, as moisture is going to be pushed down to the south and east of at least northern Utah. So moisture rotating around that ridge, you get the clockwise circulation there. More of a westerly northwest flow tomorrow should push most of the moisture south and east of the Wasatch Front, but we'll keep a slight chance of a storm. And we're seeing another storm system pop up over the weekend, which should bring a little bit of cloud cover, possibly a few storms. Blustery winds, though, statewide, and help drop temperatures over the weekend as well. So regional forecast for your hump day: 97 in Salt Lake, Elko 91, 85 in Ely, a chance of thunderstorms there, 87 Cedar City, Moab 100 degrees. Mostly sunny skies is expected in Moab for your Wednesday. 100 in St. George. Chance of showers and thunderstorms through Friday. Not as big of a threat over the weekend. In fact, just windy with partly cloudy skies. 97 Monday, 101 Tuesday. Wasatch Front looking at 97. Scattered storms. Slight chance of storms tomorrow, 94. Should be in the mid to low 90s into the weekend with a slight chance returning Saturday into Sunday. Otherwise, mostly sunny and warming up again.